Welcome to DJMTV.
And I welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make now do it to the followers. Like, share, subscribe. As now they bring all the Obonge news they come your way. This one not be them say. This one is see for yourself, make you hear for yourself. On today's news, the current entertainment news can give you now all of us know this popular Nigerian comedian, whether they call Josh Too Funny, don't come out to talk his story of how God to remove one from inside poverty. He don't talk again how America Got Talent Richard Toram where he can't perform for their platform. My people, I plan on the video make una hear for this talk interaction where he gets.
Yeah, and I mean there's a part of it that is strategy, but I mean nobody has control over blowing. Yeah, but still it feels like there is a consistent formula. What is that formula?
I don't used to stop. I don't used to sleep. And I'm not satisfied.
Right.
I'm not satisfied.
Right.
I feel like there's something we need to still take.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's always something to take.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
you keep moving.
we keep moving. I'm still an upcoming. Still coming
You are
up.
still what?
I'm still coming up.
Coming up where? In this comedy or in another?
If I give you names, you know that I'm still coming up. You know
So
who
the
they
people
call
that you're
King
inspiring
Batch?
yourself. What's that again?
You know who is King Batch? Do you know Jason Derulo?
Right. Okay.
He's a content creator.
Right.
Yeah, you understand?
Those are the people you benchmark
Yeah,
yourself
man.
on.
Tyler Perry, man. I'm not started. Get where would they go?
You get where you go. As you were saying that you never stop, it felt like there was a point where, you're eventually doing huge numbers. There's a point when it felt like the numbers were not as huge as they were.
Yeah.
And then you just kept going as if nothing was happening.
Yeah.
And then suddenly, it's as if nothing happened. Like you just came back with the numbers again.
Yeah.
At that time when the numbers go down, for somebody who is used to virality, brand, numbers, how do you cope with that?
So I'm used to virality, but I'm also used to not being viral. I'm also used to those
low moments.
I call it plateau. When you just get to a place and you remain in that level and it looks like you're not growing.
Yeah.
In fact, there's no doubt that Don't Leave Me Challenge was the biggest trend in 2020.
Yeah. Without a doubt.
The next year, everything went down.
Yeah.
Went down. You cannot remain on top for long now. They will come down. Other people will. If the video trend, it will come down. Whiskey go trend small. It will come down. Burna Boy go trend. You know me say the video no come back trend. The video will still come back, drop. Everybody celebrate him. That's what people don't understand. Everybody's flying together. So when I trend, or calm down. 2021, I think 2021, nothing much happened. It was just the wrong kitty, the wrong kata that trended. I know trended like later in the 2021, but I don't give up. 2022 was now the big blast, the fastest reader in the world, and the whole world was reposting. Chris Brown, Snoop Dogg, 2 Chainz, and when fastest reader seemed like it's not viral anymore.
You received the call. You received the call.
I'm like, hey, bro, what are you doing, bro?
Yes, yeah.
Come to the USA, you understand?
Yeah.
And
where were you when you got that call?
I was in Lagos. I was in my brother's house. My brother happened to be my manager.
Right.
So I was in his house. And the crazy thing is that it's divine, actually, because my parents had visited and they were praying for me. And then he came in the room with a laptop. Like, hey, bro, I just received one mail. Guess the mail I received. And I checked the mail. And I'm like, no, that's scam.
Yeah. America's Got Talent must be a scam.
Nah, scam. Don't do that. Don't click anything, bro. Wait, don't click any link. Don't wait first. Yes. Yeah, man. So I mean,
this is prayer. Answer prayers in the middle of the prayer.
In the middle of the prayer, we have never said amen.
We said amen. So he tells you that, okay, so these people have emailed you. You say don't click, but you eventually clicked now.
Yeah,
so what convinced you? So what did you do next after the first disbelief?
I'm like, bro, just talk to them. Like,
yes,
I'm not even a part of this thing. Let me just,
So people open that watch this video finish, and this one I can't give you now. Make una do it to like, share, and drop your comments if you get anything to talk about this matter. Until you come your way again, always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ AP. DJ AP.